Hello, sorry, it's been a while, but hopefully this new post will help out. Those are a little bit confused about Trinny London's new shades for Just a Touch, where if you were using Zandy, it's what do you wear now? I did a video about year and a half ago, which I'll put a link to on here, but between Zandy, which is this one here, which is now discontinued, and Trintron. So you can see just very slightly difference in the colours. This is more yellow, this is a bit more warmy, bit peachier. And I was using Zandy for my everyday kind of winter skin, and then I was saying that Trintron is my summer skin. But just recently, Trinny London have brought out new shades that I think there's about, don't quote me, but around 8 new shades that have come on. And Zandy has been discontinued as part of that. And when you do your match to me, or when I do my match to me, I come up with Alexandra. However, when you look at some of the posts that they've sent, where it said Zandy as as Just a Touch, it then says Alison and Alexandra. So it got me thinking about, oh, well, which one really am I? And I bought Alexandra first because that's what my match to me said. And I was a little bit kind of, oh, I'm not sure about this. It seems slightly darker to Zandy and more on the Trintron kind of warmth side. So I wanted to kind of test them out, and I put them on my hand, which I'll put a picture up now of all the differences, but I want to show you on the face as well, so you can kind of see the difference. So this is Alexandra and this is Zandy. Can you see what I mean by this one's yellowy and this one's just got a bit more warmth to it? Turning them to the sides. And if I pick up Trintron, can you see Trintron here, Alexandra here? There is a colour difference, but a bit more of a warmy kind of look. Now, as I said, I'm going to also pick up Alison for you. So here's Alison. Looks slightly lighter, and on the skin I'd even go as far as slightly paler pinker colour. So that's Alexandra and Alison together. Let me see if I can actually get, this is testing my, is it dexterity? Is that the word? I don't know. Here we go. So here is Zandy I'm bringing in, and if I hold it like that, you can see at the bottom, that's Alison, slightly lighter pinker, Zandy more yellowy, and then Alexandra kind of like a little bit more of the, I'd say maybe in between the two, a bit more warmer. And just drop that Zandy, pick up Trintron. Here's Trintron. You see the difference there. Let me just move that forward a little bit. There we go. So what I'm going to do is show it on the face, because I think that might be quite helpful to kind of see where we're at. So what I'm going to do is put Zandy on first in the middle. My face is a little bit red here, so and I'm going to put quite a bit on so you can kind of see the difference. So this was Zandy and now discontinued, but you could definitely see it's kind of more yellowy on the skin there. Now, to be fair, we are now in spring, although the sun isn't really coming through at the moment. It's quite overcast. However, we're in spring, so I have got a little bit of colour on my skin at the moment. And the way I kind of tell that, I don't know if you can kind of see. Yeah, this is where I wear my watch. So you can kind of see a line here of where the colour starts and a line here where the colour starts. And this bit here is a bit paler. So normally Zandy, like I say, normal to winter skin, but that's gone. So I'm now going to go with Alison, which is next to it. Not in my match to me, but like I said, was part of the two that they showed on the graphic as being the colours that are now replacing Zandy. So there you go. So that's, you can see kind of slightly lighter pinkier there. I'm going to put Alexandra here. So again, it's next to Zandy and you can see the difference. Just there you go. That's Alexandra. Slightly warmer. Here's the yellowy tone, slightly warmer. Can you see these two here? Bit different in those two bits there as well. Do apologise, I've got a bit of a cold at the moment, so just having to wipe up. Right, and then last I'm going to put Trintron here, just so you can see. I mean, like I say, Trintron isn't my colour yet because it's not summer, but I wanted to show you what that looks like. And again, really warm compared to this. That was Zandy, that was Trintron. So here, these two definitely have a bit more of a relationship, whereas here, very lighter. You see. So it got me thinking about, actually, when do I use these? And the kind of conclusion that I came to, really, I'll just keep doing this. The kind of conclusion I came to really is that I would probably be using this, I think, in the winter, like the depths of winter. And maybe possibly normal skin. Whereas, you know, Alexandra, which is here, I think I'd be using that in springtime, like we are now. I think it has a bit more of a colour payoff with my skin tone at the moment. And then here, Trintron, obviously stick to that within the summer. This one here, I did try putting all over my face. Well, I say all over my face. I put it in the places that you'd normally put you just a touch in at this moment in time. And it just felt a little bit too light and too paley for me. I hope that was helpful. Think about whether you change your foundation or just a touch for winter and summer. I never used to, but I started doing that about a year and a half ago. Like I say, well, I did my other video and I thought that, you know, it was a game changer for me because it really did change the complexion of my face and the confidence as well, actually, when going out. I didn't look too dark or too light, depending on, you know, what was happening in the seasons and things. So something to bear in mind. But yeah, Alison, Zandy, Electra and Trintron, and I shall put the picture of my hand up again with all those on as well. All right, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care.